Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and I have been in here cooking today, guys. I have made a delicious side dish that is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. I have made a cabbage and hash brown skillet. Yum, yum. And it has delicious Irish cheddar cheese on top. Oh, this is so, so good. If you're a cabbage fan, you're going to love this. And this is super easy to make, guys, so let me show you. Here are the ingredients that you will need to make your delicious cabbage and hash brown skillet. So you will need some shredded cabbage, and this is a half of a head of cabbage that I shredded, and it equals right around 6 cups. 4 tablespoons of butter, a half of a cup of chopped onion, and then I have here some mild Irish cheddar cheese. Now, if you can't find the Irish cheddar, that's fine. Any cheddar cheese will work just fine. Then you're going to need your hash browns, and I'm using the frozen hash browns, and these are the shredded potatoes. Those are just my favorite, but you could use any hash browns that you want. Then a half of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion, and then some salt and pepper. I'm going to add my butter to a large cast iron skillet. Then I'm going to add my chopped onion. I'm just going to let this saute for a couple minutes until the onion is nice and tender and translucent. All right, then I'm going to add the cabbage. I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic powder. And I'm going to add a couple good pinches of salt. And black pepper. And I'm going to let this cook until that cabbage cooks down a little bit. All right, so the cabbage has been cooking for a little bit. It's even got some nice caramelization on it. It's tender. So now I'm going to turn off the fire. All right, so I want to use about a pound of hash browns, and this is actually 1 pound and 14 ounces. So I'm not going to use the whole bag, and I have a little visitor over here that's smelling the goodies, smelling the goodness coming from this skillet. Bella's making her appearance in this video. That's okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add these hash browns to the cabbage. And I'm gonna go ahead and give them a good stir. All right, and I'm going to add about a half of a cup of this cheddar cheese. The rest I'm gonna save for the top. So I'm going to mix this in. Okay, so I'm going to smooth all of this down. All right, then I'm going to place the skillet in a 375-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out and then put the other cheese on top and put it back in. All right, so I'm going to sprinkle the rest of this cheddar cheese on top. And back in the oven it goes until the cheese is nice and melted. Oh my goodness, guys, this looks so good. And I sprinkled it with some green onions. I cannot wait to dig in. Come and check this out. I love how the potatoes get the nice, crispy, crunchy bottom. Oh yeah. Cabbage and potatoes, they are friends. And adding that cheese on top is just delightful. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.